Hello students, in this video we will see about excretory system organ. As we all know that main excretory system in our body or an animal is what? It's kidney, which basically function have to filter out the blood. Okay, so we have, this is a pair of kidney, okay, this is a goat kidney, yeah, and we will see the internal part of kidney and the outer things, how it's look like and all. You will see the kidney is covered with the fat tissue. Okay, we'll remove that fat tissue and later we'll show you the internal part, how it's look like and all. Okay.
See how we can remove outer fat layer from the kidney, and later we will see the kidney bean shaped structure. During the kidney explanation, you have seen that there are three layers of kidney we have, outer covering basically.
Okay, now we'll see the internal part of kidney. This is part where you can say renal arteries, renal veins and ureter will comes out. Okay, so we'll cut this thing and from here we can dissect out. Okay. This is a one more layer. Kidney ka upper layer, we have a 3 layers over there. I'll explain you. These are actual, after removing all the layers, these are actual things will look like, kidney look like. Okay, it's a darkish brownish color, bean shape. Okay, in Hindi you can say it's Rajma, yeah, correct.
टाइम जाता है इसमें. वीडियो पॉज कर दो.
Okay, so you will see here, this is the internal part. of kidney. Okay. In this region, if you'll see here, this darkest brown, this part is basically called as a medulla. This part is called as what? Medulla. And below the medulla, you will see this is called as a pelvis region, where all the things, all the arteries, renal arteries, renal veins, and you can say ureter, it comes connected, this whitest things, which is, if you'll see here, these things. Above that, if you'll see here, this is called as cortex region of kidney. When the arteries will enter into the pelvis region, you'll see we have something gap over there. If you'll see here, this gap. The renal arteries are inside the medulla, or you can say in pelvis region. These whitish things are pelvis region. And this pelvis basically what? A region where medulla are connected, and this cortex having millions of nephron inside it. This cortex having what? Having millions of nephron inside it. Okay, and each nephrons having a function to filter out what? A blood, and that basically what? Remove the nitrogenous waste. Okay, so this is all about, you can say, internal structure of kidney. Keep in mind, main function of kidney, this thing, nitrogenous waste remove karna. Along with that, drugs which are we are eating. Okay, that drugs also will filtered in blood. Okay, by this kidney only. So this is all about the kidney internal structure. Okay, so this is all about the kidney part. Again, reminder for you all, remember that kidney is a excretory organ in animals and have a main role to remove the nitrogenous waste in the form of urine. Along with that, as I just mentioned, that it's also remove the drugs, it's also remove the creatine and all. So this is the main organ in our body to remove the waste things. Okay, so thank you so much.